Well, it's Tuesday. Tuesday's dump day. Dump truck full of chem bottles, chem jugs, flat tire. I have to do an instructional video on how to blast this on here. Old Blue. There's gonna be no saving this tire. Blew a hole right through the side of her. So, luckily it's 11R22.5, and I'm pretty sure I've got a slew of them in the dump pile here. Changing tires is a specialty of mine. I grew up learning from my dad, and a lot of practice and it becomes easy. Usually you have to beat the bead off both sides, but since I ran this flat, she's already off, so we'll do the other side. Off this side too. So now you got to figure out which side has a drop and lift the tire over that. Alright, she's off. Next side. Hasn't rained for 3 weeks here and the tire's still full of water. All right, we got the rim wear wheeled, got the tire is empty of water, and now we'll slap her on. I got all the beads lubricated with hand cleaner, and hopefully she's easy. All right, now to blast her on. So if you're watching this, you probably know changing tires, the key to blasting is getting air in really quick. And I haven't used this in a while. It's a homemade unit. The handle on it was sticky, so when I hit it, it didn't move, and then it just slowly released the air in. So we'll try it again here. I'll have to hit it quite a bit harder and see if I get that to blow on. All right, let's give this a go here. Have air going in while you're doing it. Got her. All right, new tire is back on. Well, when I say new, it's old tire off our old, well, not old, but off of our tandem over there. I changed all 8 back tires last year, I think, so had some good ones to go. This truck is back ready to go, ready to terrorize the back roads of Westlaw County. And I usually take the back roads because she's not exactly street legal. Took the restrictor plate off. Don't tell anyone that. Woo! Let's go, Old Blue! Don't die to me now. All right, see you guys later. If you like this video, like the big YouTube stars say, like and subscribe.